Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama, amabhunu nabelungu had a problem and Ithala Bank was the only solution. They didn't just steal our money, they stole our future. Ngo-1994, when apartheid ended, many black South Africans were locked out of a financial system. That means ukuthi ama-banks njenge-Absa, i-Nedbank, i-Standard Bank refused to give umuntu omnyama ama-loans, refused to bank on i-success yomuntu omnyama. Ngo-1958, Ithala was created as part of Black Empowerment, and by the time kushaya unyaka wa 2000, Ithala became the hope of umuntu omnyama ohlala eSouth Africa. And by the time kufika unyaka ka 2019, Ithala had over 4.2 billion in assets, with over 270,000 members, users, people who believed in the vision of Ithala, because Ithala believed in umuntu omnyama and was willing to back umuntu omnyama financially. They didn't just take deposits, kodwa they gave hope to umuntu omnyama. You see, Ithala funded over 65,000 black-owned businesses. Over the space of 2010 to 2023, they used funds angango 1.6 billion just to fund SME aqalwa umuntu omnyama. Ithala Bank has launched so many campaigns asiza umuntu omnyama, asiza the black community. The first campaign they launched was in 2018. It was called Kukhulisa SME Fund, and it helped to fund small businesses asema township nasema rural areas. They injected funds angango 300 million just to help the black community succeed. Baxoshe ikati eziko. Between unyaka 2016 no 2022, Ithala Bank launched a Back to School campaign, and they distributed over 500,000 of school supplies to ikole eningi across KZN. Each school ebifikelwa Ithala Bank bekwenziwa sure ukuthi bashiya i-toffees for ingane zesikole, bashiya i-school uniform for ingane zesikole. They provided entertainment